Hey guys, welcome back to Quincy's Naturals. If this is your first time here, you're warmly welcome. And to all my old subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. I love you all. So, if you're watching my video for the very first time, may I introduce myself to you? Well, I am Quincy and I make videos on natural hair and food. So, basically, I am a natural hair and food YouTuber. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a very good shampoo. Very easy to make that you can do at home. Very cleansing and clarifying shampoo that promotes hair growth. So if you're interested in this video, you should keep watching. And of course, if you're interested in natural hair and food, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. The space for subscribe button is just below. Don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up and click on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will be the first to get notified. So let's get straight into the video. Here are the things we are going to need for this shampoo. First of all, we have a Ayurvedic mix. It's a mixture of amla, wither and shikaka. Here we have unrefined black butter. I got it from unrefined riches. It's a brand here in Germany. It's really good. I totally love that. And we have a bottle and then tunnel. So this is the bottle we're just going to put there, and then the tunnel to get the liquid into the bottle. So guys, and we have a measuring cup for water because we're going to use water for this mixture. We were going to put into the beaker. And also essential oil. For the essential oil, I use the bergamot essential oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice. And here my very powerful magic oil, black seed oil. I have this on my channel. You can check that out. But please watch this video to the end before going to check out that oil. But it's also good. So guys, let's go straight into the video and let's see how this has been done. First of all, get your black soap. Make sure that it's organic. Don't get refined black butter. Get unrefined pure organic. So what am I even saying? Black butter. Okay, pure organic black soap, the real one, the pure. Don't get any refined whatever. Get unrefined black soap. So you just get the refined black soap. Sometimes it's already been like scattered, sometimes like that, but sometimes it comes as a bar of soap like what I have here. You just have to chop them into smaller cubes. One thing we also have to know is that African black soap contains cocoa, coconut oil and shea butter, which relieve dry skin. It also helps to soften the hair and can also cleanse the hair, as I told you guys at the beginning. Sorry. And it won't also dry your hair as much as other synthetic, what am I even saying other? No, it's not a synthetic shampoo. It's an all natural shampoo, so it doesn't dry your hair as other synthetic shampoos do. Just try this and make sure you also use this, especially for those who have dry hair and scalp. And it's very good when you also use it together with honey and the other mixture and the other stuffs I showed you, especially this mixture of with shikakai and amla. Even if you have just amla or you have just shikakai or you have just wither, it's perfectly good together with this black soap, together with your honey, together with any essential oil, together with, in short, just look at how I'm going to do. It's very easy to make. My god, you are going to leave your hair moisturized and it's going to also help to promote hair growth. So you'll be needing about half cup of black soap for this mixture because we're just going to use it twice and you're good to go. Then you get hot water. My measuring cup here is half cup, so I'm going to use 2 times, which is 1 cup altogether. So just mix it and you can see how the butter, not the butter, sorry. You can see how the soap is actually melting. Yeah, it's really, that's why if you get something which is not natural, you will not see the results. So get a natural soap, all natural soap, so it melts on its own in the hot water, and then you can now add your honey. Very important, I always like to add my honey when doing my black soap shampoo. It's very important. Please get honey, put at least 1 teaspoon, or even if you want to put 1 tablespoon, it's still okay, of honey in your shampoo. You see how foamy it is? Yeah. And then actually now you put now your 1 tablespoon of your Ayurvedic mix, which is a mixture of Ritha, Amla, and Shikakai. If you have just Amla, it's still okay. If you have just Ritha, it's still fine. If you have just Shikakai, it's still good. This you have to try this at home, and then you come back and thank me. Yeah, okay. Alright, guys. So if you do this, make sure you tag me on your video. Let me know how it worked for you. You would definitely love this. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share. Please share this video. Yeah, I'm also planning to do a giveaway once I get monetized, so please help me and share this video so that many people can make use of this, because especially for those back home in Africa, back home, yeah, black soap is very common back home. So I think this is going to be a very useful video for those of us back home. Please guys, help me and share this video, and I'm planning to do a giveaway once I get monetized. There's nothing this channel can do without all of you. So I love you all. Thank you so much, and please help me and share this video. So very important, the next thing is to put your black seed oil. I totally love black seed oil. You will want to check this out on my channel, because there was a video on my channel on how I made this very simple. I always try to make my tutorials as simple as possible, easy to follow and entertaining. So you can check this out after watching this video. Please finish your video, it's not over. Then you go over there and look and watch your black seed oil video. Okay, now you put a essential oil. I actually put 3 drops of bergamot essential oil. You can put in the lang lang, you can put tea tree oil, you can put even rosemary oil, lavender oil, thyme, cedarwood oil. Even cedarwood oil, they are all really good essential oils, not just bergamot. I just use bergamot for this oil because bergamot also has, it's very rich in antioxidants and antimicrobials that also help to shield the hair and scalp against damaging effects. So yeah, all that good essential oils you can also try out. They're all good. So now everything is set. You just need to just get your bottle. I showed you guys the bottle I'm using for this mixture at the beginning of this video. You can get that on Amazon. Then use your tunnel so that you don't spill your mixture around. That's going to be a disaster. After all the sweat and everything just runs down. Oh my goodness. That can be very frustrating. So a tunnel is going to help you a lot to easily transport the liquid from your measuring beaker to your measuring bottle. Sorry, to your bottle. Okay guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I love you all. Thank you all for the support. Thank you, lovely family. Thank you for the love, and know that I love you right back. Massive love and massive hugs to you all. All right guys, so this is a month of love. Valentine's Day is fastly approaching, and yeah, let's say you guys are amazing, and love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. How I wish I could, how I even wish I could even get monetized on, in short, this whole month of February, like this whole month of love, because I totally love you guys. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Like each time I'm doing video for you guys to watch, each time I'm actually doing tutorials, I always feel good, because I know there are people out there that are going to benefit from this. It makes me feel so good, especially when I'm doing my cooking videos. I'm like, oh my god, I feel like I should share these recipes with others so that they can learn how to do this. I love cooking, I love to take care of my hair, I love to bake, I love to decorate cake. Each time I always do these things, I'm like, oh, let me share with others. That's because I love you guys so much, and I'm sure you guys love me too. Yeah, if you do really love me, please help me share this video so that people back home in particular will be able to transform their small black soap into a magic mixture that can help cleanse their hair in no minute, help to promote hair growth. So guys, please help your girl. Share this video, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I love you all and see you in my next video. Bye.